All right, DJ Kofi. By the way, I want to say happy birthday, or belated happy birthday, to DJ Kofi's daughter. Her name is Simora Simpson. She was 7 years old yesterday, and I actually think she's watching. So good morning, Simora. Hope you had a great day. I'm sure Daddy looked after you, and you had some ice cream and stuff. And I pray that you live to see many, many more. And he says he loves you like crazy. All right, we move on. She's got the tea, folks, the CBD tea, which I hear is flowing with benefits. And here to pour out the details, Noja Witta of CBD ISO tea. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome
How are you?
to Smile Jamaica. I'm good. How are you?
Thank you. I'm good. Thanks much.
Happy New Year. Hope you had a great
Same
holiday.
to you.
What is CBD tea, please?
CBD is actually that chemical compound from the cannabis plant. The tea now is just an extract that we drink for a total detox.
When you said total detox, it cleanses.
It cleanses, it's not a regular detox, but it assists with cleansing toxins inside your body. Those harmful substances that have been there for years, this is what the CBD tea does for you.
So what
helps
you do,
to get rid of.
Just one cup of tea and you're good to go, or is a course? What is it?
You can use it for your entire life. When you start today, you can actually take it every day. You just need 1 sachet to a bottle of water, and you drink it in the evening time.
Do you drink it cold, hot, what?
You can drink it hot or cold.
It doesn't matter?
It doesn't matter. Works just the same.
Does it matter what time of day you drink it?
If you're working in the morning time, like a 9 to 5 shift, you want to use it in the evenings, right? Because you're going to go the next morning.
You're going to go the next morning?
Yes.
Okay. No matter what time you in the evening, you go the next morning?
Right.
What is full spectrum hemp extract? This is the same thing you're talking about here?
It is. It's actually the extract derived from the hemp plant. So this comes directly from that.
And the hemp plant is from the weed plant?
The cannabis, correct.
And you said this is from the weed plant?
It is.
Oh, what is... Oh, how long this been around?
For the CBD aspect of it, a little over a year, but the tea itself has been around since 1999 with the company Total Life Changes. Yes.
I was reading, it says we're all concerned about what we put in our bodies, but many CBD brands aren't so cautious.
Right.
Explain that.
This is because when something comes around that is actually working and does work for the body, lots of persons are going to come on board wanting to push the product. However, you have to go to the manufacturers and not somebody who is going to sideline and give you something that's not so. So that's what that speaks about.
Yeah. Speak to me about what you... Put that back up, please, the one that you just took off. Speak to me about that. So those are the benefits? Some
of the benefits are, but are not limited to pain relief. Reduces anxiety, and this is because of the CBD aspect. No, it's totally different from the THC aspect. The THC aspect is the psychoactive, gives the psychoactive effect in terms of getting you high, but the CBD aspect does not. It gives you a calming effect, and it puts your whole body back into its homeostasis.
Okay.
Yes.
Improves sleep, which I could do, and it says it improves or reduces inflammation.
It does.
And this has been tried and proven?
It does. It tried and proven. Lots of experiments are being done in labs. We actually have the Cbd drop right here. It's actually gone through the University of Technology. Okay. Tried and proven.
No, I don't know why the great Clive bring the cups, because you did hear the lady say, wait now. You hear the lady say if you use it, you go and go. So why are we drinking it now?
You'll be fine.
I'll be fine till
You'll be fine till when you get home later.
You're certain of that?
Yes.
So what is this now?
This, here we have the CBD medicine. It's actually the Cbd Drops. And what this does for you is give you a calming effect. The sleeping, it makes you sleep better. Your whole life will be better.
So it's not a pain relief or anything, it just
makes
you...
It does. It actually helps with chronic pain. The same inflammation, it's just at a higher dose.
How you use it?
1 drop under your tongue 3 times a day.
Let me do it now, I'm telling you.
You might want to wait.
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't mind waiting, but if I do it now, what happens?
You will experience a numbness to your tongue, that will give you the whole calmness to your entire day. You will be very relaxed, I might say.
So why would I not want to do it now then? Me not look
to
like
try
somebody
some?
who want to relax.
Yo, you seem pretty fine, Neville.
You don't know me, you know. How much time leave night show? 7:45, so we have 45 minutes to go, no, sir?
Okay.
So if I do it now,
Yes.
I'll just relax immediately.
Immediately.
I
It
mean,
kicks in 5 to 10 seconds.
I mean, I have to do no more work. Me just go sit down. What's the more there? Hold on. How much drop I must do?
3 drops.
3 drops?
Yes.
By the way, how much is this?
In terms of?
If I had to buy this, how much you pay? It is sold? No, I mean serious.
It is. We're talking 15 to 20,000 for this bottle. This is how strong this medicine is.
Stop. $20,000 for this?
Yes.
It tastes like lemon.
Talk to the people, yes.
It tastes like
the
lemon.
lemon extract is
Seriously,
very
it
strong
tastes like
in
lemon.
there.
Want a
It
sup?
is.
No, I'm good.
Not just a little sup.
No, I'm good.
It tastes like lemon.
I made my own cup.
So you don't want a sip from my drink. This is what you're saying.
Good. I can't drink coffee, tea, and that at the same time.
It's actually,
Right?
you should be having this instead of the coffee.
It's
Ah,
too
there
late
you go.
now.
No, it's not too late.
But you can't have the two of them together.
No, not
Roger. I
together.
shouldn't. Right.
Not together.
I've been drinking coffee all morning.
To get the full benefit, you have to drink the whole of it.
Yes.
And the full benefit would be what again?
It's going to send you to the bathroom later when you get home.
Later when you get home?
Yes.
That's after 8:30, right?
Yes.
Okay, just making sure. No,
How
left
was
me.
it?
That was lovely.
No, he tried
Ladies
the
and
drops.
gentlemen of the jury, now you tell me if this man...
No, me never
was it
feel
though?
so relaxed in my life. Me don't work, man. My tongue numb.
Well, if you never go hard at it, all the color in your cup would have gone. Eh?
Good to see you.
Man.
Thank you so much for having me.
Tell us again how you can be found
So
locally.
you can reach me at 291-0830. My Instagram, it's the only Norja CBD Jamaica.
All right, there you go.
Yes.
Gonna go for a break. All of a sudden, I kind of feel a little strange to